In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a new project in PCAs. PCAs data is organized in a relational database under Microsoft Access. In particular, it is organized in a user-defined grammar, the coding scheme of content analysis. There are three ways of creating a complete grammar: importing data from an Excel file with automatic setup of the grammar, or importing data from documents in a folder, again with automatic setup of the grammar, or by creating it manually from the setup grammar form that you can open by pressing F2 and that you're seeing now. You can watch the video on setup grammar to learn more about it. The grammar in PCAs can be conceived as a tree structure, with parent objects, called complex in PCAs, and children. Each child in turn can have further children or be a terminal object, a simplex object in the language of PCAs. This is what the grammar of the sample database looks like in a tree visualization, where these objects are complex, like event, semantic triplets, participant O, so on, and objects like type of event, source of information, victim, county are simplex objects. Okay. In addition to complex and simplex objects, PCAs contemplates another set of objects, documents. In fact, all the data in PCAs needs to be cross-referenced to a source. That means linked to a source. That is a document that contains the information that you want to analyze. For example, newspaper articles, blogs, tweets. But you can also set up PCAs to work with no documents, perhaps because you don't want to code any documents into a set of coding categories, your grammar, but you only want to use the NLP components of PCAs. A document type has a name and some objects associated to it that characterize the document type. An example of a document type name is newspaper article. You can see the document type here in the setup grammar form. And an example of the set of objects under it may be newspaper name, newspaper date, and page number. You can view them by selecting the document type here and then pressing the setup document type button. Here you see the simplex objects of the document type in the sample database that are the newspaper name, newspaper date, and so on. You can start a new project from various forms. You can click the Start a New Project button in the Setup Grammar form here, or you can select the entry in the Quick Menu tab, Start a New Project, or you can go to Main Menu, Utilities, Import Export, and select Import Excel Spreadsheet to start a new project by importing an Excel file and setting up the new grammar automatically. Or you can go to DB Setup Functions and to DB Setup and click again on the Start a New Project label from here. However, to access the Start a New Project routines, you will have three options. You can choose to empty your current database and begin from scratch, choosing to keep the grammar or not. You can import an Excel file with an automatic setup of the grammar, or you can import documents in a folder with automatic setup of the grammar.